Hello everyone, welcome to your Shopify SEO optimization full course. In this live project, we are working with SEO Ant, a AI SEO Shopify, one of the most popular and top SEO app. So also I want to mention that this video is sponsored by SEO Ant and I recommend everyone to try this app. They have free plan, trial plan and of course premium plan. So you see already how it's easy to do all the SEO work using this app without hiring any SEO expert, without any SEO skill or without any time wasting. So this app already helping me a lot of for my clients website, save a lot of time and draw a lot of things automatically and perfectly. That will take too much time for me to draw one by one. And for example, you can see that we have already improved our score 87, and right now there are 5 important issue and 4 needs improvement and 20 result is good. And let's see what we have to do more to fix everything. So first of all, you can see that one image need optimization, pending tags. Click on it. On the pending text, let's see which one need to optimization. Manual optimization, disable auto. We don't want manual optimization. Upload image, auto optimization, optimize settings. Okay, so we don't see any image in here that need to optimization. Let's see, view compress. Okay, all image optimization completed. Also check here and now go back SEO checker. Optimize image 30, exist 30, optimize already, no need to manually. Okay, we're just checking. One click fix, rescan. We have found 7 issue. So click on the one click fix. Okay, save and fix. Click on it. Wow, optimize one image exist automatic already, no need manually. Okay, we're just checking what we can do. Here is the improvement to critical issue, content optimization, SEO page, SEO score, product page. Fix it now. We're fixing one by one. So let's see, there are $135 result, and you see all the SEO score is low 30. Here's just title, primary keyword missing, and action. Check SEO details in optimize. AI generate blog post based on this product. Okay, and now what we can do, first of all I'm going to select all, then auto generate, AI auto generate keyword. Click on it. It's super easy. So we are going to fix all this issue one by one using this AI auto generate keyword feature, and let's see what's happened in here. Being generated automatically, that's mean it's work in progress. So we have to wait, just wait a little bit time. So let's see how it's work. So it will take a little bit time to complete this process. So let's see how much time it will take. Okay, there are 51 result exist because all others has been done. So reload again and let's see what's happened in our score. Content optimization. Before that, I'm going to click on the SEO checker. Yes, you see the score is high, but we are going to fix more. So content optimization, and now select all auto generate keyword with AI. I think it's really super easy app for any Shopify online store. It's really save your time and help you to start campaign, rank on search result, and run everything smoothly without any issue on the marketing process, because design development is like a one kind of process and one time fixed work, but marketing is ongoing process because the marketing is still live how much your business is live. So it's ongoing process, and for that you must have to keep everything perfect without any issue. Okay, let's see what's happening in here. Our keyword added. Now go to the SEO checker. Yes, and content optimization, content SEO. Let's see speed optimization, image and compress one image. To optimize, reduce the file, fix it all, click on it. One issue. Save any. Yes. Exist automatic optimization already, no need manual action. Okay, it will be fixed very soon. It will be fixed. Click on to optimize. Okay, perfect. Click on the SEO checker again, and now click on the content optimization, and we have to fix the issue in here. You can see. So click on the product page. First of all, it's very important for us. So I have clicked on the product page, and you see here is the keyword missing. I'm going to display all, select auto AI code keyword generated. I have clicked on it. So now we have to wait a little bit more time. You see the work has been started, the process, the 4 keyword added. Also will be add more keyword. Just we have to wait. Yes, started working. So wait a little bit time to let's see. Okay, you can see that a lots of work already done. Just click on the content optimize again or SEO checker. Then you can see our next step, one product, others pages, event blog collection. So fix on one product. I don't see anything, so click on here. and fix all, select all, click on the auto generate keyword. We have to fix one by one because SEO is a ongoing process and you have to keep enough patient to fix everything, run everything smoothly. You see, all has been done. Then click on the SEO checker again, and you see our score 1% improve again. So here I want to mention one thing. We have to work one by one, and I will show you everything in the next tutorials how you can draw this. For example, you see right now, if I click on it, we can add manually keyword, but lots of things we have to fix. For example, click on here, check SEO details and optimize. Right now it's 72, score on 100. So let's see. There are 5 issue to improvement. So click on it, 5 issue. You see, and auto optimize. Click on auto optimize. And now everything all right, accept all, click on the save. You see, here is the result. So I hope you understand how we can draw everything one by one. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.